To get started, install the EasySell app. From your Shopify admin panel, go to Apps and search for EasySell. Select EasySell COD form and Upsells from the results, which will take you to the Shopify App Store. Click Install to begin the installation process. You will then be redirected back to your Shopify store, where you need to confirm the installation by clicking Install again. The next step is to enable EasySell in your current theme. Click the Open Theme button to activate the app within your theme. Then simply click Save to apply the changes. The form is now enabled on your store. You can preview it by visiting a product page or the cart page on your store. Now let's customize the EasySell form to match your needs and brand design. The form builder has two main sections, the form itself and the shipping rates. We'll start with the form builder, where you can configure all the details of your form. The first option is the form type, which can be either embedded or pop-up. The embedded form appears directly on the page, while the pop-up form opens when the customer clicks the Buy button. For this demo, we'll use the pop-up form. Next, we can customize the Buy Now button, which is what customers click to open the form. You can change its text, colors, and overall style to match your brand. Moving on, in the Form Countries section, you can select the country or multiple countries where you're selling. Now let's customize the form fields. Each field has its own settings, and you can edit, hide, or reposition them as needed. To edit a field, just click the pencil icon. Depending on the field type, different options will appear. For example, if we edit the name field, we can change the label and placeholder from name to first name. We can also customize the Submit button, changing its text, colors, or even adding an icon. The form is highly flexible. You can add as many fields as you want, including custom fields to collect extra information from customers. For example, we can add a WhatsApp button or a Shopify checkout button for prepaid orders. To encourage faster purchases, we can also add an urgency timer. If you want to rearrange fields, just drag and drop them. Next, in the Form Style section, you can adjust the overall appearance, like background colors, button styles, and more. Finally, we have the Preferences section, where you can enable options like hiding labels and icons, activating a sticky button, and more. Once everything is set up, your form will be fully customized and ready to improve your checkout process. Now let's dive into how you can add and customize shipping rates to include shipping costs in your orders. First, within the Form Builder, go to the Shipping Rates section. If you want to edit an existing rate, simply click the pencil icon on the right, make your changes, and then click Edit to save them. Let's say we want to add a new shipping rate called Express Shipping. Click Add Rate, then enter the title and an optional description. Set the shipping cost for this rate, and you'll see a live preview of how it will appear in your form. Once everything is set, click Add Rate to save it. So far, we've only configured simple shipping rates, but you can create more advanced shipping conditions. For example, you might want to apply a rate only if the order total or weight falls within a specific range. Let's create a heavy items rate. We'll give it a name, description, and price, then click Add Conditions. You can choose between a price-based condition or a weight-based condition, then set the minimum and maximum values. You can also apply other conditions to refine your shipping rules. For example, you might want a rate to be available only for specific countries, or set different rates for provinces or states. You can even configure product-specific shipping rates, allowing you to charge differently based on the item being purchased. This flexibility makes it easy to tailor your shipping options to your business needs. Once you're done, click Save, and your shipping rates will be ready to use. Now let's explore how EasySell can help you increase your average order value and encourage customers to complete their purchases. One of the most effective ways to achieve this is through quantity offers. Quantity offers provide discounts when customers buy in larger quantities, making it an attractive incentive to purchase more. For example, you might want to offer no discount for a single item, but a 20% discount for purchasing 2 items and 30% off for 3 or more. This encourages bulk purchases and boosts your revenue. To create a quantity offer, click the Create Offer button, then select the products you want to apply the offer to. EasySell will automatically generate 3 default offers for you, but you can edit, remove, or add new offers as needed. You can customize its settings, including the required quantity, discount value, and offer text. EasySell also provides multiple offer templates with unique designs to choose from. Once you've selected a template, you can fully customize the style, colors, and layout to align with your brand. Every detail is adjustable, ensuring that your offers look professional and engaging. Once you're satisfied with your setup, click Save, then visit your product page to see the offers in action. When a customer selects an offer, the discount is automatically applied to their cart, making the process seamless. With quantity offers, you can set up enticing discounts in under 2 minutes, making it one of the easiest and most effective ways to encourage customers to buy more and increase your store's revenue. Now let's explore EasySell's upsell features, which allow you to increase order value by offering additional products to customers. EasySell provides 3 types of upsells: one-click upsells, one-tick upsells, and downsells. Let's start with one-click upsells. These are post-purchase offers that appear immediately after a customer places an order. With just one click, the customer can accept the offer, and the product will be added to their original order. You can add up to 5 different upsell offers for a single order. To create a one-click upsell, go to the one-click upsell section and click Create Upsell. The process is simple and consists of 2 steps. First, select the products that will trigger the upsell. This means that whenever a customer buys one of these products, they will be shown an upsell offer right after placing their order. Next, add your upsell offers. For this demo, we'll create 3 different offers. The first offer will have a 10% discount, and we can fully customize its design, including button colors and text. The second offer will have a fixed discount of 100, and for the third one, we'll leave it at the default 10% discount. Once everything is set, click Save, then place a test order to see the one-click upsell offers in action. After the customer places their order, the first offer will appear immediately. They can either accept or decline it, and if they decline or accept, the second offer will be shown, followed by the third. Since we only set up 3 offers, if the customer accepts or declines the final one, the order will be completed with all the accepted upsells added. It's important to note that even if the customer ignores or rejects all the upsells, their original order will still be processed. This makes one-click upsells a powerful and seamless way to increase sales without disrupting the checkout experience. Now let's explore the second type of upsells, one-tick upsells. These are a powerful way to increase your order value without impacting your conversion rate. They work by offering small, optional add-ons that customers can include in their order by simply checking a box within the order form. The possibilities are endless, but common examples include shipping protection, gift wrapping, or even a mystery box. To create a one-tick upsell, go to the one-tick upsell section and click Create. Next, choose when you want this upsell to appear. By default, it will be shown for all products in your store, but you can customize this if needed. For this example, we'll create a shipping protection upsell, set the price to 50, and customize the text, colors, and description to make it clear and appealing to customers. You can further enhance the appearance by adjusting the background, adding a border, or even including subtle animations to grab attention. Once everything is set, click Save, and that's it. Your simple order bump is now live, ready to generate extra revenue with minimal effort. The final upsells feature we'll explore is Downsells. These are pop-up discounts designed to encourage customers to complete their purchase when they attempt to close the form. This is a great way to recover potential lost sales from customers who showed interest but hesitated to finalize their order. When a customer tries to exit the form, they are presented with an extra discount on the original price, giving them a last-minute incentive to complete their purchase. To create a downsell, go to the Downsells section and click Create. You can then customize the discount amount, text, and colors to match your store's branding and make the offer more appealing. Once everything is set, click Save, and your downsell is ready to go. Now, when a customer opens the form but then tries to close it, a discount pop-up will appear, offering them an exclusive deal to encourage them to complete their purchase. If they accept, the discount is automatically applied to the original order price, making the process seamless and effective in converting hesitant customers into buyers. Note that the downsell pop-up will appear when the customer tries to close the pop-up form. However, if you're using an embedded form, the downsell will trigger when the customer shows intent to leave the page. This ensures that no matter how the form is displayed, you have a chance to recover potential lost sales by offering a last-minute discount. Now, let's explore integrations and SMS, which consist of three main sections: Google Sheets, Google Address Autocomplete, and SMS messaging. We'll start with Google Sheets, a feature that allows you to automatically save all orders in a dedicated Google Sheet in real time. This means that as soon as a customer places an order, it will be created in Shopify first, and then immediately recorded in your connected Google Sheet. To connect your Google Sheet to EasySell, go to the Google Sheet section. The first step is to sign in with your Google account by clicking the Sign In with Google button. You will then be redirected to authorize EasySell to access your Google Sheets. Once you approve access, you'll be redirected back to EasySell to complete the setup. The second step is choosing whether EasySell should create a new Google Sheet for you, or if you want to connect an existing sheet. If you choose to use an existing sheet, simply paste the link to your Google Sheet in the provided field. For this demo, we'll let EasySell create the sheet automatically. In the third step, you'll select the data you want to export. You can choose which fields should be saved in Google Sheets, and decide whether to store orders with multiple items in a single row, or separate each item into different rows. Once you've selected your preferences, click Save, and your Google Sheet will be created immediately. You can then access it by clicking the provided link. As you can see, the Google Sheet is successfully created with the columns we selected earlier. There are also two separate sheets inside. One for normal orders, completed purchases. One for abandoned orders, customers who filled out the form but didn't complete checkout. To test everything, let's place a test order. After submitting the order, we can check the Google Sheet and see that the order has been recorded instantly, including all the details we configured earlier. This integration ensures you have real-time access to your order data, making it easy to track and manage your sales efficiently. The second integration is Google Address Autocomplete, a powerful feature that integrates directly with Google's advanced address prediction system. This helps ensure customers enter accurate shipping details, reducing errors and minimizing delivery issues caused by incorrect or incomplete addresses. By automatically suggesting real addresses as the customer types, this feature saves time, improves the checkout experience, and prevents costly shipping mistakes. Since this feature uses Google's API, it is billed separately from the app on a pay-as-you-go basis, meaning you only pay for what you use. To help you test it, EasySell provides 20 free sessions when you install the app. Enabling the feature is simple. Just click the Enable button, and it's ready to go. Now let's see how it works. When a customer starts typing their address in the form, a list of suggested addresses will pop up. They can either select one from the list or continue typing to refine their search. Once they choose an address, all related fields, including province, city, and postal code, will be filled automatically. After the order is completed, you'll also gain extra order details, such as exact GPS coordinates and a direct link to the customer's location on Google Maps, making deliveries even more precise. Now let's explore the SMS messages feature in EasySell, which allows you to send automated SMS notifications to keep customers informed throughout the checkout process. The first type of SMS is the phone number verification SMS, which helps verify the customer's phone number before they complete their order. When enabled, the customer will receive a 4-digit verification code via SMS that they must enter to proceed. This is useful for fraud prevention, ensuring that the phone number provided is valid and reachable. We'll discuss this feature in more detail later in the fraud prevention section. Next, we have the order confirmation SMS. Once enabled, this message is sent immediately after the customer places an order, confirming that their order has been received and keeping them in the loop. The third type is the abandoned cart recovery SMS, which helps recover potential lost sales. When enabled, this SMS is sent only to customers who started filling out the form, entered their phone number, but didn't submit the order. The message includes a recovery link, allowing the customer to resume their order from where they left off. To use this feature, make sure the abandoned orders option is enabled in the general settings. Finally, we have the shipping confirmation SMS, which notifies customers automatically when their order is shipped. Once you mark an order as fulfilled in Shopify, this SMS is sent instantly, letting the customer know that their package is on the way. By enabling SMS notifications, you can increase customer engagement, reduce uncertainty, and recover lost sales. Whether it's verifying a phone number, confirming an order, reminding a customer about their abandoned cart, or providing shipping updates, these messages help build trust and improve the shopping experience. EasySell Analytics provides detailed insights into how your order form is performing over time. You can select a specific time period using the date picker at the top and instantly visualize key metrics such as how many customers opened the form, how many placed an order, and the total revenue generated within that period. Beyond basic tracking, EasySell Analytics allows you to break down data based on UTM parameters, helping you understand which marketing channels are driving the most conversions. You can also analyze your conversion rate to see how effectively your form is turning visitors into buyers, and get insights into your average order value to understand customer spending habits. By leveraging these analytics, you can make data-driven decisions to optimize your sales funnel, improve conversion rates, and maximize revenue. Now let's explore the app settings page. The first section focuses on form visibility and other elements in your store. The first setting lets you enable or disable the app, while the second one controls where the form appears. By default, you can choose to show the form across the entire store, only on the product page, or only on the cart page. When selecting the product page, it means the form will appear everywhere except on the cart page. You can also disable the form on specific pages like the home page or collection pages. Next, we have button visibility settings, which let you control the display of Shopify's default buttons, including the Add to Cart, Buy Now, and Checkout buttons. Another important setting allows you to enable or disable the form for specific products or collections. Simply select whether you want to show or hide the form. Then choose the products or collections where this rule should apply. You can also limit the form's availability to specific countries. Just enable this option and select the countries where you want to allow the form. The final option is Order Eligibility, which allows you to restrict the form based on the order total. You can set a minimum and maximum price range, ensuring that the form only appears when the order falls within the specified amount. Additionally, you can display a custom message if the order is not eligible. The General Settings section allows you to customize how EasySell handles key functionalities in your store. The first option controls where customers are redirected after placing an order. By default, they are sent to Shopify's Thank You page, but you can change this by pasting a custom link to send them to a specific page of your choice. Alternatively, you can redirect them to WhatsApp to initiate a conversation or simply display a thank you message as a pop-up after order completion. Next, you have the option to charge an extra fee for orders placed through the form. Just set a fee name and the amount, and it will be automatically added to the total order price. You can also enable tax settings to apply taxes to form-based orders. Another important setting is abandoned orders. When enabled, abandoned orders will be saved as draft orders in Shopify if a customer fills in their phone number or email but doesn't complete the order within 15 minutes. You can then use tools like Omnisend or Klaviyo to send automated recovery emails, or rely on abandoned SMS recovery, as discussed earlier, to follow up with potential buyers. The Advanced Options section lets you fine-tune additional settings. For example, you can choose to create upsells as separate orders, hide the default Submit button when a prepaid button is enabled, or disable automatic discounts on form orders. If you need further design customization, you can also add custom CSS styles directly within this section. For merchants managing multiple stores, the Import-Export feature makes it easy to duplicate EasySell's settings from one store to another. Simply export the configuration from the original store, then import the file into a second store, and your entire setup will be copied over instantly. Finally, if you ever need to reset the form to its default settings, just click the Restore button, confirm your action, and EasySell will revert to its original state. If you want to add tracking pixels to your form, head to the Pixels section inside the Settings page. This feature allows you to integrate various tracking pixels, including Facebook Pixel, Conversion API, TikTok Pixel, and more, enabling you to track conversions and optimize your ads effectively. To set up a pixel, simply click the Add Pixel button, select the pixel type, and then paste your pixel ID in the provided field. You can add multiple pixels if needed, allowing you to track data across different platforms. Once you're done, click Save, and your tracking pixels will be active, helping you monitor performance and improve your marketing campaigns. The last section in Settings is Fraud Prevention, an important part of EasySell that helps you prevent fake orders and protect your store from malicious users. There are 4 fraud prevention methods available to block fraudulent behavior and ensure a secure checkout process. The first method is Order Blocker, which allows you to limit the number of orders per customer or restrict the total quantity that can be ordered in a single order. A customer is identified by their IP address, email, or phone number. You can also block specific customers manually by entering their IP, phone number, or email, and if needed, you can display a message informing them that they've been restricted from placing more orders. The second method is postal code blocking, which lets you allow or disallow orders from certain postal codes. To set this up, simply enable the option and upload a text file containing the list of postal codes you want to allow or block. This can be useful if you only deliver to specific areas or want to avoid risky locations. The third method is phone number verification, which ensures that only real customers place orders by requiring them to verify their phone number via a 4-digit SMS code. When enabled, after the customer submits their order, an OTP, one-time password pop-up will appear, asking them to verify their phone number. The order is created immediately in Shopify, and if the customer verifies their phone, a tag EasySell verified is added to the order. If they don't verify, the order remains untagged, allowing you to follow up later. Some customers might not have their phone with them at the time, so EasySell creates the order first to give you a chance to recover it later. However, if you prefer to only create the order after verification, you can enable an option to require OTP verification before order creation. You can also customize the OTP pop-up design, text, colors, and SMS message to match your brand. The final method is bot protection, which blocks fake orders and bots without requiring CAPTCHAs or adding extra steps for real customers. Finally, if you want to change or upgrade your EasySell plan, go to the Plan menu from the sidebar and select the plan that best fits your forecasted orders for the month. EasySell also offers a huge discount on yearly plans, which might be a great option if you're looking to save on subscription costs. If you're currently on a paid plan and want to downgrade to a lower plan, keep in mind that your total orders must not exceed the order limit allowed by the new plan. If your order count is higher than the new plan's limit, you'll need to wait until the first of the next month when your order count resets.